forecast.
Well, the next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center is another mostly cold rain system. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick, but some parts of the area will likely have at least a little bit of sleet and snow, but that's not until tomorrow. Let's get you set up for your Saturday. That's my pick day of the weekend. Temperatures this morning will be cooler than recent mornings, mostly in the 30s and low 40s. Some hazy breaks of sunshine will give way to increasing clouds. A light east to southeast breeze this afternoon with daytime highs a little bit above average for this time of the year, but closer to where we should be for February standards, with daytime highs in the upper 40s and low 50s from Madison, Harrisonburg, Charlottesville on down into Dillon, and we are dry through at least midnight tonight. All right, so we're starting off this morning with temperatures in the mid 30s to mid 40s, a wide range of numbers. 46 at the airport in Charlottesville, but near freezing in Stanton. Dry scans will continue this morning on our live Doppler radar network. No precipitation in sight. The satellite is showing some clouds. These are mostly mid to high level clouds increasing from southwest to the northeast. So they're thin enough that we should see a nice sunrise over the next hour. But I'm watching a gathering area of rainfall. Look at the rain developing out of the Gulf, pointing towards Alabama, Georgia, into areas of the North and South Carolina. Now, there's also a cold pocket of air in the upper atmosphere over areas of Arkansas and Louisiana. These two will combine their forces and give us that wintry weather at times on Sunday. So let me step you through the forecast now. So this morning we're dry on our high-res weather tracker. Here's this evening. The clouds fill in. We are dry through at least early tomorrow morning. Here's 6, 7, 8 a.m. about 24 hours from now when you join us for the newscast tomorrow morning. I'll be tracking a mix of sleet and snow and a cold rain. It's mostly a cold rain. There's midday tomorrow into early on Sunday evening. So heading out to those Super Bowl games, those parties, we'll be dealing with wet roadways for the most part. But for the Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah Valley, you may end the precipitation as some sleet and snow, but the roadways will be on the wet side. And then Monday morning, there's 6 o'clock. It is completely gone. So little to no sleet accumulation east of the Blue Ridge for Central Virginia. There might be a brief coat that's really pushing it, I think. 1 to 3 inches for the Blue Ridge Mountains, including Wintergreen Resort. You'll get some snowfall tomorrow with 1 inch or less for the Shenandoah Valley, mainly on grassy areas. We will all have a soaking rainfall. 1/2 inch to 2, maybe 2.5 inches of rainfall. Your forecast for today, mostly cloudy and cooling on down compared to the last few days with highs in the upper 40s and low 50s. For the overnight, we are dry and lows will be in the 30s. Your Sunday outlook, not so dry. We're talking about cold rain, a little bit of a messy mix of sleet and snow, but it's mostly a cold rain for most areas during the day Sunday. And remember, your weather is always on the Storm Team 29 weather app. Get your latest forecast, hour by hour outlook, and the interactive Doppler radar. Here's that 7-day planner. We're talking about temperatures on the rebound. 60s and maybe even 70 next week, and a few rain showers, spring-like showers at the end of that 7-day forecast next Thursday and Friday. But for the most part, it's just one day of a cold rain and a little bit of a winter mix, and that's tomorrow.